Well guys, I did it again. Been a couple of years now since I had my last Caprice wagon, but I found this. I got a smoking deal on it. Got some rust and some little problems here and there, but it was worth it to me, so I went for it. What do you think, Ashton? You like it? Yeah? Oh, don't be throwing rocks. It's a runner driver, but it blew a tire, so just decided to trailer it back. Interior needs some work, but it's all there, so that's cool. We gotta wait till we get that ready. This one has an actual back seat in it, so that's pretty cool.
I want to see it.
But anyways, that's it for now. Gonna get it home, get a different tire on it. Well, I might take it to the car wash first, blow all the leaves and all the mud and stuff off of it. But we'll see you there. Well guys, we made it home. After dinner I'm going to go down to the car wash and blow all the mud and stuff off of it. It's dirty. But I'm pretty excited. This thing is sweet. Been sitting for a while. The fire's right up and runs good. Alright. Got it sprayed off, got it back to the house, got it unloaded. Looks a lot better. Still not great, but pretty good. What's up, chicken? Gotta fix that. That's the problem. Weird fun fact about Caprice wagons is they have Chevy truck pattern and not Chevy car. So you gotta have like C10 wheels or whatever. Let's see if this thing will start up. Got a squealy belt, but other than that, runs really good. Pretty crusty under the hood. See if I can fix that belt squeal real quick. Never mind, it went away. What was that? Weird. Huh. Anyways, that's probably it for today. I think I'm going to jack it up, change that tire, but... So I went to O'Reilly's and got a new battery. Got some transmission fluid for this thing because I tried to pull it up on the ramps and it wouldn't do it. Transmission cooler line has a hole in it, so I got to get underneath there and patch it up. Probably just cut the piece out that has a hole in it and put some like fuel hose on there and a clamp on both sides. Maybe just slide it over and clamp it over the hole. We'll see what the hole looks like and we'll decide. If it's too bad, then I'll just buy some new lines off eBay or whatever and have them shipped, and we'll change them, put new lines on there, and that'll be great. Then we won't have to worry about it ever again. But that's really not my style. You know how it is. One thing I've noticed is this thing is covered in ants, and they're the biting variety, which I'm not a big fan of. Alright, I just got to pull the dipstick out and put some transmission fluid in it. See if we can get this thing to move. Just pulled right up there with a couple quarts of transmission fluid in it. So, as I figured it was this low. We'll see. I'm gonna climb underneath there now and I don't know. I'll climb underneath there and look for the leak, see if I can fix it. Okay guys, got the exhaust all cut off here because it was broken right there. So I welded some 3-inch on to the Y pipe and I ordered a 3-inch exhaust kit, just waiting for it to get here. Anyways, and I had a 4-inch MagnaFlow laying around, but I rolled the edge of the pipe into 3-inch, so it'll work fine. Just gotta wait for the pipe, then we can build exhaust for this thing so it'll at least sound good. Then once it gets a real motor, it'll run good, sound real good. Also found a little bit of rust in the floorboard while I was down here. It's not too bad though. The rest of the floor is in great shape. No rust. What's up, kitty? The frame's in really good shape. All the cross members, the suspension. Got surface rust on it, but you know, it's Southeast Texas. Okay guys, got the exhaust mocked up. Gonna throw some spot welds on it now. I still gotta do some sort of tailpipe. I haven't decided if I'm gonna like dump it back there by the axle or actually go up and over, but this is the important part. And it's pretty simple. I'm gonna throw some spot welds on it and then maybe we can hear how it sounds. I'm not a huge fan of MagnaFlow mufflers, but I've had this one for like 5 years and I figure it's time to use it, so whatever. It sounds pretty good. Doesn't sound like a Flowmaster though, I can tell you that. Well, there you go guys, it's fully welded out. And it sounds pretty good. Give her a couple revs and set you up so you can hear it. This poor old 305 just doesn't even know what to do when you hit the 4 barrels. Gonna have to fix that. Well, my wheels and tires showed up yesterday. I mounted them up, got them on the car. Looks pretty good, I think. Needs a couple inch lift now. Now I'm gonna go take it down the road, see how it drives. Tires were so bad I've never got to drive this one. Had it for like 2 weeks. So we'll see. Well guys, drives down the road pretty nice. It's all floaty like an old boat. It's perfect. Carburetor definitely needs some work. Struggles. But it drives nice. Runs okay. Love it. Well, made it back no problem. Thing drives down the road sweet, so just fixing a little stuff from here. I got more accessories to add on to it. Doing the kind of like an overland theme on this build. Gonna do the roof rack, high lift jack, you know, spare tire, maybe some whip antennas, CB, all that good stuff, you know. Don't see a lot of that, so figured it was perfect car for it. This is not super nice and it's got some rust, so it's okay. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.